What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Super excited right now. I just got something in the mail which I actually forgot that it was coming in. It's from Ford. When you buy a new GT500, they send you this cool kit. It's a packaging kit for your car. So I honestly forgot they were going to ship it to me. They didn't really tell me, but here it is. So we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. So here's the package that it came in, and we're gonna do a little cool unboxing video for you guys to see what exactly Ford sent us. So I'm excited. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys for joining back the channel. Please like, subscribe, and send comments. Thanks. What's going on, guys? So we're in my unofficial office that we're gonna do the unboxing today. And I also wanted to point out that we're gonna do some cool footages of the car today. I'm gonna take it down at the location that I like to take the car at. And still no gaming PC, still waiting on that. Hopefully that comes soon because I'm super eager to get into the gaming space again. Man, I'm getting really a little bit impatient with the whole process, but hopefully I can get it soon to film more content to you guys. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna get into the unboxing here. Let's see what they Ford brought us. Oh, wow. Wow, that's pretty cool. So I talked to my wow. So I spoke to my sales agent, and he told me that they only give this out to people who buy, the GT500s, brand new, obviously. And I purchased mine in 2021, and dang, this is really nice. Let's see here. Oh, look at that snake. Got the Shelby snake on there. Really cool. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we got a GT500 proof of authenticity. Wow, what else we got here? Wow, this is beautiful. I love this color. This is, of course, the iconic silver for the Mustangs and GT500s. I was going to get this color, but the performance blue on my car completely just blew me away. And I fell in love with it. Wow, this is really cool. I love this. Dang. What else we got in here? We have a book of all the different features and history of the Shelby's GT500s. This is so cool. I'm going to definitely look at this. Wow, I love this. Another pamphlet. Whoa, what is this? Oh, this is some type of, okay. That's why it was heavy. That's cool. And they give us a USB flash drive. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. So this is the kit, the toolkit to adjust, the gurney flaps, or your, in my case, the carbon fiber spoiler to adjust it from, you know, track ready to everyday use. I completely forgot that they send you this whole kit in the mail. I thought it was just going to be, you know, a simple toolkit, something similar to this, but I didn't know it was going to be a whole, wow, that's really cool. A whole kit with books and authenticity. I actually forgot that they were going to do that. Wow, I love the attention to detail in this. It just makes you feel like the whole experience, makes the whole experience feel a little bit better, a little bit more pristine. Sweet. Okay, here's what the rotors look like on their stance. Very, very cool. I love this. This is probably my favorite accessory in the box that we got. And I believe this will go. Stick it on there. Very cool. Well, that's going to do it for the unboxing today. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave some comments. Have a good one.